Hello students, myself Santosh Tangoli, and today we will see types of data structure. As you can see on the slide, there are six types of data structures: linear, non-linear, static, dynamic, primitive, and non-primitive. Let's see each type in detail. The first type of data structure is linear data structure. So as you can see on the slide that the data are arranged in linear manner, or you can say that data arranged in sequential manner, and the type of relationship is only one to one. And what are the examples of linear data structure? Stack, queue, and linked list. Now let's see how the data look like, or you can say that the organization of data. So if I consider this stack, so how the data look like? So this is nothing but the stack, and I can arrange the data in this fashion: 10, 20 and 30. Index 0, 1 and 2. So this is nothing but the stack. You can say that data organized in linear fashion. Now if I consider queue, now how the queue will look like? This is the organization of data. So I can write 10, 20 and 30. Linear order. If I consider linked list, so we can say that. So this is node which are divided into two parts. If I consider this is singly linked list. Let us consider these three nodes, and these nodes are connected by using these pointers. This is the last node, so that we can write this as a null pointer. Data is 10, 20 and 30. So this is the linked list. So in all these three examples we can see that the organization of data is linear. So it is called as a linear data structure. Let's move ahead with the next type of data structure, that is non-linear. So data arranged in hierarchical manner, or you can say that label wise data, and it consider all types of relationships. That means one to one to many and many to many. And the examples of this non-linear data structure are graph and tree. Now let's see how the data look like, or you can say that the organization of data. So first let us take graph. So let us take, these are the nodes of the graph. You can say that these are the vertices also. Now we will connect these vertices by using this. These are called as the edges. This is nothing but the directed graph. So these are the connections. Vertices labeling, you can write this as A, B, C, D and E. You can say that this is the non-linear data structure because data are not organized in linear manner, data are organized in label manner. Now let us take the example for the tree, how the data look like. So these are the nodes. Let us take, consider, let us take this binary tree. So these nodes we draw here. Labeling, let us take A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So you can say that the data organized in hierarchical manner or label wise. So these are the examples of non-linear data structure. Let's move ahead with the static data structure. So as the name implies, static means the memory allocation is fixed We cannot change the allocation of memory at the time of execution. That means static data structure memory allocation at the time of compilation. So what are the examples of this static data structure? Array, because array size is fixed. Stack implementation using array, or you can say that queue implementation using array. So all these examples are nothing but static data structure. So let's move ahead with the next type, dynamic data structure. As the name implies, dynamic, that means memory allocation can be changed, and this memory allocation can be allocated at the time of execution. That means whenever we execute the program. So what are the examples of this data structure? Linked list, or you can say that stack using linked list and queue using linked list. So whenever there is a linked list, it's nothing but dynamic data structure. Next type be the primitive data structure. So there are various data types supported by programming languages like int, float, double, char, which are also store some kind of data and which are nothing but called as non-primitive data structure. And the last data structure with a non-primitive data structure. So these data structure derive from the primitive data structure, means int, float, double and char. So what are the examples of this non-primitive? Stack, queue, linked list, graph and tree. So these are all called as a non-primitive data structure. So I hope you understood all these types of data structure. Thank you very much.